Nice, nice, nice. We can see the charters. Oopsie. Do you have your mic muted? Shift.
Said
Yeah, now we can hear you.
perfectly, yeah.
Loud and clear.
Uh-huh. Said you were talking to me about this thing we call the overlap. Man, it did things, huh?
Hmm.
Then after that, they came back for this overlap.
Perfect. I like how you did it.
Gay, I am still back testing this thing and still back testing it. Nonetheless, let's go to USD card. Uh, no, I don't know if I can get something that is clear. Yeah, so USD card, starting with the monthly, basically, we were in a bullish trend. And then I was seeing these people literally getting into this overlap. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Though we cannot be sure, we cannot be sure how deep or how far they will go in. I don't know how you guys do your buffer things, but let me first
But for buffers, you'll
let me
need
first try
to get
this.
to see buffer, or yeah, to get to see the buffers, you'll need to go to maybe. Actually, you'll need a premium trading view because you have to check like in different days instead of, or a week or so, because that's the only way you can get to check if there's a buffer or whatever.
Hmm.
But it's usually like you check the V to V while you're looking for buffers. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me first give you my viewer.
Mm-hmm.
So now this thing has been moving up, and then recent breakup structure was over here. Let's see. So price broke structure and now is now retracing back to this area over here. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Now in doing that, I went to the day to the 1 hour, and I was looking at around this area. Let me just perfect slows. So when we went down here, first of all, on the 1 hour, we saw that price had actually shifted. So after price coming and doing this and doing all this rubbish, they came on and gave us a shift pointer, shift over there. So we are waiting. When price did that, one, there was this QM, okay? There was that QM, which you could see visibly using the line chart.
Mm.
There was that. But then there was also these areas of liquidity because me, I was actually waiting. I was speaking to Tony, and he was telling me that he wanted these laws to be swept I don't know what we are all thinking about. But let's first look at the 15-minute. 15. Uh, this guy is acting up. I want to see 15 minutes. So now in the 15 minutes, there was this actually, which was the final liquidity engineering over there. So that is where price is. So if you could
Wait,
wait for price to
you
come
saw
and touch.
liquidity engineering in the 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So if we could have at least the SL put at least like 14 pips below there, okay, and then wait to see. Why would I say this thing is gonna buy? Because uh, even the higher time frames are telling us that the higher time frames are telling us that. So I am waiting to see that I enter at that exact price, very low there. If they can tag me in, well and good, and I'm putting my SL, I'll be risking 20 pips and 20 pips as my SL.
Then you hold Mbakaku.
Hey, Joshua,
Ah, yes, sir.
Joshua,
Yes, I can do.
why can't we sweep out that row and then we are sure because it is part of the major liquidity.
The one
The
the one
chendowoza.
that is
Yes,
compared with this low.
uze bombawulirira wala.
Can you do this, eh? Can you go to a 4-hour time frame? No,
Okay,
first go to the weekly, then we deep to the 4-hour.
the weekly, yeah?
Yeah, the weekly first. So the blue is bullish and the gray is bearish, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This is forex.com, broker forex.
FXCM is FXCM.
Can you go to forex, please, as the broker?
I think I have a setup there. This is a
USD card.
USD card. Hmm. Let me hope there is nothing there.
That is what I wanted to see. Yeah.
I wanted to confirm this.
So on this,
Hmm.
is that
Oh God, oh God. This thing is actually bringing out something. You know what?
mm,
Let me just do something small
can you see?
and
Can
I
you
share with
see?
a friend.
Can you see it clearly now?
There is something that I am seeing. Actually, me normally I trade ranges.
Mm.
Whenever price does this and breaks to the upside and closes to the downside and breaks to the upside again, there I know I am in a range. So I am confident to take that kind of trade. Even if I was to go to the 4 hour, what I need to sit down here at this low, I don't think this low is going to be taken out. highly doubt the law is going to be taken out.
He's not talking about that
But
law. He's talking about those laws. Yeah, those current ones. Maybe maybe he's thinking that it'll tap.
all this.
I, but hey, I don't think it'll tap those two laws.
Oh God, oh God. So this is a shift.
Hmm.
That means even H4 shifted,
Yep. Everything is
leaving that
telling you bold.
a demi uncle. You've seen this before.
Mm-hmm.
This here.
Inside formation.
It's an inside formation, but I thought you were reading about the demiators, UK.
Ah, don't tell me that now, Buana. But that's hey, it is
Okay.
all going up.
So you've seen, eh? You've seen
Hmm.
the confirmation
Hmm.
because seeing this already,
Market
yeah,
shift to the upside.
the upside. This zone was washed, and then I am looking at this inside zone. Can I let me try to refine it?
Hmm. Ah, it's even hmm.
Tell that boy, there is no reason for us to take this law out. Nah, 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 nah. Let me see what is there on the daily. Perfect, perfect, perfect. There is nothing on the daily. That means, let's check on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, every liquidity below here was swept.
Swiped.
This zone has to.
Hold there, it has to hold.
So I was telling you about affirmative liquidation, no?
Hmm.
And gay, affirmative liquidation is a real way to go, bro. Gay. So I'm looking at that QM.
Wait for price to retest it
It is
again, eh?
already. If I don't know if they will give me that, but should they, I will punish the market for making reckless pullbacks. I'll punish them. Trust me on that. I'll punish them.
Hey.
Yeah, Tony. Tony, you can unmute and share. You submit. We see. This thing is supposed to be perfect. Ah! Okay. Actually, I'm going to put lot one.
You're going like nobody's business.
Are you see,
No.
brother? Where do you want to put an entry?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I can see we are actually in buys, but
You're still worried for this flow, huh?
are you hearing me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah,
We
we
can hear
can
you.
hear you.
Wanji Joshua. I
Tukulia.
was thinking the other row is part of the major liquidity. So we cannot drop all that low and fail out, take out major liquidity so that we can reverse. I'm actually anticipating we can take out major liquidity in Asia. Don't we have
Bumble.
also force breakouts?
We also have for so
Don't we have force
thinking
breakouts? Come on,
you're thinking we wait for this
come back.
to make another break and go, huh? Yeah, Tony. So you want us to actually wait for this to first confirm by breaking above here, huh? that whether they do this and go, okay, or they actually do this variation and then they break. When they leave us an inside formation, they go. Because those are two different variations, right?
Investor Tony.
There is Jolly. Jolly is trying to speak. Huh?
Oh, Jolie.
Like, I wanted to ask,
Jolly. Yep.
I wanted you to try zooming your entry and why you're pressing the entry at
To
that
go
point, according to you, in the first setup that you made.
over here. Here.
That same pair, the setup that you had, yeah.
So now this is it. The reason why I'm putting it there is because my entry technique is a QM. So I would put that the last law, second last law that was swept before we broke. Okay. And
Micah?
another reason as to why I've put that there is because now one, we can actually go to a lower because this thing was activated here before they went. You get?
So go to
Buana says
5 minute time frame.
there was liquidity there. There was that. There was that. There was that low. There was that low. All these were lows that we had to take out. We had to take out all these liquidities. This one was the last liquidity. And I'm believing that after it was taken out, I don't think they're coming back. So we just have to go to a lower time frame like 5 and see exactly. Okay, these touches were many. And price punish gives you all these touches, and you have no reason to enter the market whatsoever.
Personal, I had entered the market at the first touch. I'm actually on a live session. I was in the market at that first touch. Yes, okay.
At this point,
Then later it hit my break even and I was out. But I was planning.
Wait, you're saying it hit your break even?
Don't know who is speaking now. USD. Yeah.
Tony, Tony is the
Immediately.
one who is mentioning
Joshua,
it. Yes, Tony.
I actually wanted to say that if
Mm.
you went on a line graph, you would actually see that the QM has been touched. So we could expect actually a clear QM. We have a sweep, and then you have a clear shift before we use that QM. I'm actually still anticipating a sale, especially to that low. The good enough is below your SL. It is still within your SL, but I still expect a shift so that we can have a
So
sweep, so that we can have a clear shift.
you want these all this to be taken out, right? Tony, Tony, Tony has gone. Says
Yeah.
So how do you see this? How do you see this one?
Tony is insisting that
Because
the level has been touched. We wait for another clear QM.
but you see
It hasn't. Wait,
the
can you move to? I think it hasn't been mitigated yet.
guy it has been mitigated. Look at these weeks, huh?
Mhm.
You get?
Wait, is there a type over there?
Yeah.
Is there a type over there?
This kind of this is a reactive liquidity engineering, because price comes and touches the first time, touches the second, breaks below it, even goes but respects the
Sold.
overthrower, does not close below it, does not close below the overthrow. So I am believing that we cannot go below this unless otherwise. I'd place my head on this thing. No.
Didn't touch.
Actually, it hasn't yet.
Yeah, I was telling you, no mitigation yet. Wait,
Ah,
no mitigation yet.
so we wait for that reactive.
It comes touch, then we enter.
Bro, I am going to put my limit order, man. And I'm sleeping with the market open. I don't know how about you. Actually, this even lowers the risk. Even lowers the risk.
Remember, you're
Is it
holding
already?
mpaka
Oh,
kuu,
it's not. Yeah, but immediately we get here, we are offloading first target.
Mm.
Mm. Then we reach here, we offload another because we are coming with lot one.
It'll be enough to
Me,
offload.
yeah, you offload, but I am going to be offloading slowly. I offload a 0.2 there, another 0.2, set break even, and then I hold it. Parker this high rather here.
I
That
think
is
you
about
could have another TP. You see over there at 4700 level.
around over
Yeah,
here.
yeah, you could have that one over there. You offload
Mm,
most of it,
how,
then the rest you leave. You don't
how
even have
many?
to.
Those are 430, yeah.
Mm.
And then the final TP is supposed to be 519
Mm.
pips. So let me do this and save this. I normally save it to man. Why is power playing around? Mhm.
Can you also send it to the chat?
Yeah, I am going to actually send it here.
Yeah.
And also, can you check GBP USD? I saw it do something, but I'm not sure.
I am. Tony is back. Huh?
Tonera is back.
Okay, so this is a USD card. Control V. So
Guys.
Have you gone to a place where it's not noisy, Tony?
It's just that you guys are either using computers and your voices are too low. Like I to get you, but I'm following. But we just have to watch the market. But me, I still anticipate you might sell low
Any watermelon?
because if we had to make a shift, a better shift, would have made it last week on Friday. But you see, TGIF did
Yes,
not actually happen on Friday. The
yes,
market
it.
stayed within the lowest. It actually went here even lower. So that means we had Monday selling, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So you'd actually expect Monday to sell, and then you have buying Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Interesting.
Tony, you expected a range on Friday. I swear, if this thing actually just does what we want, this will be the first win for the whole team. Okay, so there is a Euro card that I also wanted us to see. So these guys, let's see, this is a 1 month. Let's first look at monthly. But man, these guys, look at this.
Eurocard. Joshua, are you with us? Julie, can you hear me?
I'm listening.
So it's Joshua who's gone missing, eh? Then you find
Joshua is
that,
also on.
eh? He's talking.
Hmm?
He's not
No,
talking. Something happened. He had frozen.
he's not talking.
So can we see the screen?
Can you please share again?
Not really.
Okay, okay. Can we see the screen now?
Yeah, yeah, we can see it.
So on the daily, this is what I saw. That price gave us a shift point there with an inside formation. Normally, in order for me to check if a zone will hold, I'll start with a weekly. If I see a transition, literally price breaking above this area with no inside zone, that
Mm,
is one confirmation. Okay.
mm.
So now, after that, what I do, I go to a time frame lower to check for affirmative liquidation.
Okay.
Okay. Now, when I go to the area of affirmative liquidation, literally what I'm looking for in this area is before the zone that I have marked, is there a zone on a lower time frame that price could actually come back to activate before they activate my zone? You get? So that is what we call affirmative liquidation. Yeah. For those that already have Miri's course, is the one that teaches affirmative liquidation. Okay, so I see that on the affirmative time frame, I have nothing there. So I go back to the daily, and then this is the zone that I have now too. This is the zone that now I have to refine. From the daily, I'll run to the 1 hour and check on the 1 hour what exactly is there. So on the 1 hour,
Wait,
I have
can you please instead just use forex.com as the broker? Because this one, the way prices are closing and
uh,
opening, it makes it hard for someone to identify and see. But as for forex.com, you can actually see how price is moving, eh? The opens and the close of the candles. It's less manipulated.
okay.
But let's finish up here first.
Let's check this. Ah, okay. Okay. Let me first clear all this.
Hmm.
I'm the one who drew them. That means I can know what I drew. You guys, I have my kids to teach.
Today,
Like we have live back testing with them.
today I'm becoming a
To see
kid.
what exactly, brother. So there was that. Okay. Then we were actually looking at this zone. This is the zone that we were looking at. For
But
people that
but
prefer
that shift over there at the top, eh?
mm,
It doesn't look quite clear, to be honest.
so you want this.
Because you can see that price kept, like, it kept weakening, it wasn't breaking. So that's a proper better one. So at least I can know there was a shift.
So you want this, huh?
Wait, can you put a nini a monthly or a weekly? Just go with the one that you had previously, because for the monthly it shows a clear one.
The monthly or the weekly. This is weekly.
This is the week. It shows a clear. The shift happened below in the week.
But
So you can see, like, with the weekly, the shift happened down below. It didn't happen. Okay, that's another one, but it happened down there where you were marking initially.
down here.
Yeah, yeah.
So that is why I actually wanted this. Now you can agree with this.
Mm, yeah.
So this we went to the 1 hour for refinement, and this is what we saw on the 1 hour. That when we put this over here, um, I put the line chart. I saw this that I could also go to the 15 and see if I could get
Better refined one.
and even lower and even a lower risk. Yeah? That we have, we could have taken this, or we could take this, depending on the kind of trader you are. If you have a big risk, you could do that, because this one I see it was already activated, but this is the one that is not yet activated.
Mm.
So according to price is just there.
Lingering at the
And
top.
what I see is the momentum has
Shift.
reduced.
Very true.
Okay, prices, the momentum reduced, and it is trying to engineer liquidity over here. For those that do ICT, would find accumulation around here, and then after that, we would get a dip into our entry before we move to the upside. That is my anticipation for this guy. That is what I'm seeing, friends, colleagues. I do not know if we can hold him for much more time, but that is what I see. And what I mean is, if we can look at targets, first target closest there, second target over there, and then if it runs and closes above that low range liquidity, and then maybe we could hold up to there and see how the because there was this higher over here, could be the last TP.
Mm.
I don't know if those are realistic targets or unrealistic targets. But if we do if we have this and then we close below this, and then we close daily closes below this, then we shall be looking at this zone to give us sales. Actually, I'll be now looking at this to give me the sales to even deep further.
Mm. Mm.
So we wait and see what happens. But as at the moment, that is my anticipation for this.
Can you slide over to
Uh,
GU?
okay, let me first copy this
Oh
Minute.
yeah, before you forget.
before we go. I want to give it to us.
You also
Can I
send
put
that
it?
analysis to the group.
That is what I'm going to do. That is what I want to do. I am removing the targets.
And then wanted. Yeah.
I'm actually removing this as well, and I'm only going to leave this
Joshua.
the direction. Yes, sir.
Joshua. Your people are texting me, eh?
Yes, I can. Yeah,
Your people are texting me, eh?
there is someone texting you.
Yeah, they're texting me, they're telling me that they're from our group, our Facebook group, eh? They're asking me for the
The live
Telegram
has
link.
started. They're pinning you.
They're telling me that the link for the Telegram group has expired. How should I help them now?
Oh, let me. Can you create a new link?
I share it with them.
You can make a new link.
Okay, okay. Let me do that.
Tony, also NZUSD.
Oh, let me first get this.
All right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What were you seeing on NZUSD?
I want to make your analysis. I want to make your analysis as a it's like my strategy is different from yours, but most of my setups always correspond with your strategy, guys.
Okay. I want to see something first here, right? Sage,
Yeah, yeah.
I want you to see this. You see that when price opened, it took out all lows.
All of them, yeah.
This was the one. This was like the false move. Oh God, power is acting up. Try sharing my screen.
Oh, your screen has hung, eh? Okay, let's wait for him to join us back.
Sage,
Yo, yo.
you can share your screen. You share your screen because my PC has acted. I can't get power.
Okay.
It works
You
in
need to stop
power.
sharing before I start sharing.
You, let me see because I've put
Oh dear. Where do I share? People, why can't I
you
share?
see those three dots.
Oh, pole, pole, pole.
What is it?
You tap on the three dots and then the last option.
I'm looking for. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. Very perfect.
Just a moment. This is not my laptop, so I'm not logged into TradingView.
Okay.
So what are we looking at?
New Zealand,
NZDUSD.
US. Start with a monthly.
That's Ethereum USD. All right, right.
You said monthly, yeah?
Yeah, monthly.
So as you
That
can
one
see,
is a paid. That one is paid.
at what?
How how come we are seeing something different?
This is the monthly. Oh, this is nene, whatever, forex.com, eh?
3 months.
1 month, 1 month.
Okay, but I want to see the one.
You want to see
There's
the one?
something that we saw. Was it on the 1 hour? One a daily. Daily. Give me the daily.
1 day. I've seen what you're talking about.
Hmm.
This day, like it opened, then it dipped. Okay, just a moment. I want to show.
Hmm.
I want to
For
do
the
this.
false move.
I want to do this. I want you guys to see this. Yeah. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah.
Hmm.
Pay attention to this. Let me put the magnet. Then let's go to the daily. Yeah.
Hmm.
Control Z while zooming. Okay. So there was this false move entering down here. Oh my days. Can you see guys? Can you guys see the charts well?
Hmm. Actually, they were activating a QM there. You can actually just zoom, and we see.
Can you see?
You can try to compress. Yeah. Okay. Now you put back to
Candlesticks.
the candles. Mm. Okay. Now, huh, how best can we look at this thing? You go to the 1 hour. So over there on the 1 hour, there was a QM up there. Okay. There was that zone as well.
Hmm.
Okay, if you look at the QM up, and that one gave a reaction for price. Huh? Not that one. Here for the recent price action.
Where we had the recent price action, like around here.
I can't see your cursor. No, not there. Just up on your left. There is that QM that was activated up there. That one. So I expect those people to come and take out all this liquidity that is resting there.
Here.
down.
Oh, this like let me put it
There,
for guys who are.
there is too much liquid there. Uh-huh. Though, first look for me at. Are you seeing that candle type one?
Where?
Are you seeing that type one?
Over here.
That thing can annoy
This one
out
here.
easily. No. First, get down this side. That one. That one. Mark the whole zone. Mark the whole zone. You mark using the ray.
Oh, the ray.
Hmm. Mark using the ray.
Up
Jesus.
here.
So you mark the whole zone, not the type one. I want you to mark the whole candle type right from the open.
From here.
Not there. No, I want I want this red candle.
Ah,
Not that one. Not that one. Huh?
this one.
You see that one. Exactly. And then you mark the low as well. Huh? That one, yes. Thank you. You go to 4 hour. I want to see something.
Oh no. Can you see? Okay, now for anyone who has for anyone who does not know or anything, this is what you call an overlap. Okay. If you heard me and anyone talk about this one, this from this point to this point, this area over here, opacity reduce, do whatever. So this point from this to this week around this where price leaves a zone over here. This is a very good entry. This one, if we don't capitalize on this, man, I don't know. I don't know.
So first go back to the 30 minute. Huh? Just run the 30 minute briefly. I want to see something there. Now, I don't know how you're going to do it for me.
Hmm.
It's okay. Now, are you seeing that zone which is sort of below there? Not that one. That one from there up to down. Huh?
From here up to down.
Was it fully consumed? No, from like you know how we normally mark the zone
Ah,
there, this low. Looks like it was fully
yeah,
consumed.
it was completely, you see, it was taken out kabisa
Yeah.
like this, taken out.
So if it was taken out, you put it down there. It was taken out, right?
Mm.
Yeah, that is a component for that zone to hold.
It was completely taken out over here.
Okay. So you remove that, and then we go and refine our zone. So you move to 5 minutes. bought chicken.
What's
Perfect, 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 perfect.
hey?
Mark the candle body, yeah?
Oh my days! Should they just log into this?
Measure the pips, measure the loss.
Okay, let me
This guy
see.
is better not to do that. Not today. Not today.
Okay, just a moment.
Hope we, hope we still have that setup.
Five minutes.
Jody, is that what exactly you are seeing? Gwechitone chichi. Tone chichi.
Tomorrow you're going to see
Sure.
Chenaya sharing this setup. He's already in the trade.
Sure.
Joshua,
Once.
let, let me sit on my PC and send you my setup on that page. NZUSD.
Is this what
Yeah.
you were seeing? Check. Is this what you were seeing, Tony?
Ah, I've been busy a bit. I did not follow, but let me sit and look into it.
Okay.
I'm just getting home. Let me sit and look into it.
Okay.
Easy, but thanks for the gun, eh? Was good.
So this ideally this is our entry. How many pips by need to be long. 6 pips. Yeah, 6 pips. Take profit. How many pips? 125. Not bad. Not even six.
You make the stop loss increase that SL to
So you
about
are expecting sales up to that region.
yeah, expecting sales up to there and then we buy.
All
You can
right.
go with 10 pip stop loss over here.
Yeah.
Fill this zone.
Yeah, that candle could also do some nasty things.
Yeah.
So you share in the group, huh?
Mm.
Okay, that thing is beautiful. Huh?
That's what you call a magnificent trade.
Can you also share for me that with my kids in the group?
Ah, okay.
Okay. You share it as a photo, right?
Mm.
Not as a link.
What's the name?
Intimate for FX.
Okay, it's not in. Let me use this
You
the
still
phone.
okay?
Hey, but this is a good
Yo,
trade.
Jody. How do you see these things, Buana? Ay, 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 Masavu. Hmm? This is in Kiswahili you call it majabu.
Majabu.
Is it the right word?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's the perfect description, by the way.
Majabu is like perfect, huh?
It's
Oh, very too beautiful
unbelievable,
to be true.
like a miracle. It's majabu. Eh?
Oh, okay. Now you that is 1 hour, right?
Yeah.
First run back to the daily. I want to see something on the daily, on the daily. Ah. Bro,
Mm.
bro,
Yeah.
that thing is going to give money. There is
Proper.
liquidity that has to come out.
Proper.
Proper money. That is daily, yeah?
Yeah, this is daily. This is our
Go
zone
to
daily.
current price. Go to move to current price action. Uh-huh. All that was taken out. It's okay. They did all their stupid ass shit. So they want to the target must be that high. Are you seeing that daily high?
This one here.
Hmm? They are going to close above there. That is the first target. And then the second target, you could look at that zone which is quite up there. Yeah, but not that high.
This one can do actually.
Just put at the entry. Just put at the entry. Oh, let's go back to the monthly. I want to see something on the monthly
Okay.
before we go any further. First put on the monthly.
You see,
First zoom. I want to see those candles. What these guys are actually doing. So the first target would be previous monthly higher.
this one.
If we can take out and
Just a moment.
zoom in so we can see the picture perfectly. Yeah?
Monthly high is over here.
hmm If we can take out that monthly high, the previous monthly high.
You see, even the month is
No, no,
looking
no, no.
very
The
good.
previous. Mm.
So
That is what I am also seeing.
we have every right. And this is actually Tony's fresh levels here.
Mm. These boys have actually completed the live session.
They're done.
Yeah, I think they are done because I do not see anything like. No, they are still on actually. They're still on because I've not got that notification that they are done. They are still on the live.
I
Yeah.
saw that they are
Man, you
supposed to
guys
start
have.
presenting.
Yeah, they are actually presenting. That is the beautiful thing about my kids. Man, you should listen to them. There is a boy who sent work,
Mm.
and I was like, yeah, I am now teaching. I am feeling for myself. First give me that. Give me that previous month high, and we see how many pips we want to bag first.
From here, eh? Let me do this before it comes
Mm.
for me.
Do we
Yeah.
still see your screen?
Can you see my screen, by the way? Or it stopped
Yeah, we
sharing?
can, but sharing different.
Frozen.
Oh,
You're
it's
sharing
loading.
different tab.
It's loading. Can you see it now?
Not yet. You
Hey,
guys, why don't we do this more often?
Why is it loading for? Oh, it's sharing a different tab. Let me show you what we'll do. Can you see it now?
Yeah, perfect. So where is the high we are targeting?
This one over here.
Guy, you've taken off the setup.
No, you know I haven't
Man,
logged into this nene. I haven't logged into
that
this.
machine.
Mm,
Just run to the time frame that we were getting the entry from, and there is no need to even find that thing further. It is just so kabisa, man.
it is on the money. We're in the 15
It
minute,
is
right?
not there. You get.
It's here.
We were on the 15 minute, but it's not there. No, that wasn't it. Yeah, was it that?
Let's
No,
confirm.
that is the one. Okay. You
Yeah,
gay, you want us to miss money.
yeah, it's
You
here.
want us to miss money. Mm-hmm.
Just a moment. This is the setup here. Entry is over here.
We were actually looking. We were actually looking at the low as the stop loss. Huh?
This one is the stop loss here. Why is this computer
Below
misbehaving?
there,
We just use
you
this one.
go. I think you put a. No, you've put a strong magnet. You go to the magnet and then put.
This is the entry.
I think you
Entry.
must have put a strong magnet. Put a weak magnet. Huh?
You know, you don't even play with the magnets most of the time.
Mm.
Uh, this is the entry, so I have to move it down a bit around here.
Yeah.
Maybe it's here. So ideally,
I need clean work, boss.
a
You
hundred.
put back. You put back. You put back.
Okay, don't worry. I'm setting up the stop loss first.
Mm.
There. So ideally, it's 160 pips to 10 pips.
So that is around to 1 to 16. Huh?
Uh, you risk
Ah,
you
guys
risk
are
with your
guys are
one
getting
lot size. You'll
mad,
risk a
mad,
hundred
mad.
to get 16K.
Okay, 1K for 16K, guy.
A
I'm
hundred for
putting 10. I'm
16K.
putting 20. I'm putting $20 on that thing.
20, eh?
Yeah, 20. So that is like mm, how much would I be looking at harvesting on that?
Eesh. Wait, what calculator do you use to calculate the pips and the stop loss that you'll be getting?
I use a money stop loss, you guy. And you know that the prop firm that I am working with,
Hmm.
we use money stop loss.
It's even there, so you don't even have pressure.
Yeah, there is no much pressure. Mm-hmm. Um, try looking at. You wanted GU.
Yeah, I was seeing something, but I wasn't
Mm,
quite sure because I brushed checking on it.
mm-hmm. Okay, I was hurt. You see, I moved out of that trade. You
This
remember?
wait, you exited the cell.
From up the other side,
Man, you entered
I moved
here.
out. Up there, there, yes, there.
You got in here, man. Then why did you exit, by the way? I
Because one, my target had been hit,
uh
and then two, I there was an FP,
ah. Wait,
so I didn't want the market to find.
how do you analyze your fundamentals?
Basically, according to our strategy, structure is supposed to what we are supposed to. The news is supposed to complete structure.
Hmm.
So there was a buffer there, the overlap rather.
Hmm. So this is the only reason we can say this is because we are in the 2 hour, yeah?
Mm,
If you go to the 3 hour, we refine it, yeah, to around here.
mm,
Okay.
mm-hmm,
Okay. Yeah. So we go to 1 hour. On 1 hour, it's not quite clear yet, but you can see like this is where we're supposed to be looking for entries and whatnot. 30 minutes.
yeah.
For 30 minutes, you can see this, yeah?
Hope every setup will be shared to the group.
Ma?
Pardon?
Hope every setup will be shared to the group.
Yeah, we will.
Let me first reach home and set up. All right. We'll catch up again.
Okay, you've left us, huh? So we are three. Zimran, how are you?
Bro, what's up?
We are glad to have you here.
Man, what do you think about
Yeah,
this?
I've been around that. Probably right now I don't have a trading view and I'm just catching up you guys like I'm traveling. That's the problem.
Oh.
But it's like we're expecting the market to drop down and then you're catching some buys.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. That's
What
what
is the
I'm trying to
overall
see here. The overall,
percentage? Mm. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Perfect.
Sage,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, would you help me with Euro GBP if you guys are not that tired, you know?
Let's first complete this one. This thing is going to be perfect.
Yeah, yeah,
First,
yeah.
first,
I'm
let's
watching.
let's complete this one. First, let's complete this one, bro.
You've
Says,
yeah.
give me euro. Give me GBP USD, and then we see Zimran. Yeah, Zimran, Mama. Sorry.
You've seen it, huh?
Yeah. Come on. Why did you do these things, guy? You guy, you're bad. You're very bad.
You saw it here live, eh? Not recorded, live.
I know. I know. I Jay, damn.
Maybe we
If
m-
only these.
hey, let's try 5 minutes, yeah? Maybe we can, and our TP
Okay.
can be a stop loss.
Mm.
You remember your stop loss over here? Just
Oh, up the other side, huh?
yeah, we can target that as TP. But let's wait.
But I am already out. Oh,
This
oh,
thing.
oh,
Why?
oh.
Why? Let me change to the other computer. This thing is not making me happy. It keeps on disturbing. It's disturbing. It's disturbing.
Yeah, it's better you switch to the other computer such that you even have the setups to yourself. Zimran, how are you, brother? Tony, I can see you're back. Tony,
The bad thing, I'm not going to trade. I'll trade in December, but the way you are analyzing the market,
mm.
I'm just here watching, and you are
Bro,
doing
it
that.
seems you have a lot of money. Why don't you want to trade? Why do you want to trade in December?
I'm finishing some stuff just now. I'm finishing some stuff.
Wait,
Just here looking at
Tony,
the
Tony,
second graph.
I has told your story, bro. I am feeling for you, guy.
Uh, I'm just watching,
Mm.
just attending to feel just the place. But if that guy is the way he handles the things is quite unique, man.
Who?
That's it.
Who?
It's a good analysis. But the way I see guys trading, for me, I'm a fan of Philippines. That's it.
That is why I keep
I just,
slapping you.
I just see adding more trades. That setup.
Can you guys see my screen?
God. Says unmute and talk. Unmute and talk, you
Can you
guy.
guys see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Yeah, we can see it.
Aye, as you
But
can
now
see.
your candles, you guy. Your candles, you guy. Ah,
You
we
will see
cannot even know which color is.
so
Thank you. Now that's better. But now you
upon
have to clear all your diagrams.
I recently marked this zone, but upon analyzing, I was like, this one is going to get violated. This setup. Let me see. I got it in the 1 hour. As you can see, I got it here. I dipped down to lower time frame. This one will get violated very soon. You just watch. So we're not
Ha.
going to be using.
Now, Sage,
Yeah,
you cutting,
I'm
yep.
breaking.
Like it, yeah, exactly. You're breaking.
Okay, let me
What's
just.
wrong?
Can you hear me
Ben,
now?
I think Ben has missed. I think Ben is sleeping now.
Yo, can you hear
Yo,
me
can
now?
you hear me now? Done. We're here.
Mic, mute, mic.
Sage, what you will do, you'll mute one of your devices
Yeah,
because it
that's.
is the one that is giving you feedback.
Let me show you. Let me show you. This mic is going. Wait, I mute this mic. Mic.
Okay, I think that is okay. Say something, maybe we could hear you
Can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me now?
perfectly well, you guy.
Alright. It's still making noise. Let me show you.
You mute one of your devices.
Okay. I think now you can hear me, yeah?
Perfect.
So ideally after we've checked and we've seen the what price did just here. I don't want you to come. Let me remove these other drawings. Let me just clear the drawings. As you can see, like I told you guys, there's an overflow here. Not overflow,
Overflow.
like overlap. I don't know why I keep saying overflow. Overlap. So on this overlap,
Probably
like
because of overflow of money.
you guys are stupid. Uh,
Yeah,
so
that's okay.
since we have this here, we expect price to dip in to this zone, tap, then shoot up. But since that's what we are expecting, yeah. The other thing that I'm waiting to see before I make any rash decisions, it's here. I'll go to the 30 minutes time frame. As you can see, the zone that was marked, price came, mitigated this a bit, came, it's like it's playing around. So this is where I'll be waiting to see a good reaction. Can you see this zone? Yeah. If we go to 5 minute time frame, we'll see there's a proper QM over there. I told you guys I love trading QMs. As you can see over here, price came, made a QM, tube, then it went right up here. Correct me if I'm mistaken. This is the lowest point that we can have. Or you can even decide to enter here. It depends on your grid levels, like I always say. This is ideally this is our stop loss over here. Back to EX. So here, price tapped here, and what we're expecting is like a proper bullish movement. You can decide that this is a very tight stop loss. Take this to be your stop loss. It's not big. It's not that big. Get your entry there. Oh, wait, take that long. Short, not short, long position.
You want to get a sell stop there?
You're fake. So ideally, you can either take it here or you can take it here. Depends on how you want to take your entry. Then once you take that trade, let me move this thing. My small price action telling me we'll be buying it soon. So we're here, yeah. Yeah. Where this is going to be like a proper holding, eh? These are what you call position traders.
Yeah, I am also thinking. Actually, I've been thinking about holding those guys. Holding GU.
You. Yeah. So ideally, you'll be waiting to get your entry down here.
Very super.
Your first TP can be here if you're afraid of going up some more. Then your next TP can be here. Then the other TP or where you want to exit, you can take it here where Joshua entered. And tell people your stop loss is my TP.
Why do you do those things, Buana?
Yeah, so this is the trade that I was telling you guys we watch because hey, this is some good pips, man. 200 to 7. You can even put a 10 pip stop loss and you'll be very
Will be good to go, huh?
yeah. You can put a 10 stop loss over there. Take your trade, and it's 1 to 20. Yeah. Oh, she'll send this to you. Let me remove this.
You guys are now literally doing bad manners.
No, what do?
How do you guys start catching such beautiful entries and the government is keeping quiet?
You guys, we put 7 in a coffin. What do you expect?
the guy is on this trade. The guy is on for this session. So stand warned.
Mr. Museve
Stand
M.
warned.
Saba. He did not believe Kenyans, eh?
What have you guys done today?
Leave us alone. Leave us alone.
What did we say?
Yeah. So ideally,
Is that
that
where
was the trade that I was.
we're putting
So
TP?
I've given you the trade with the TP up there. You can decide that's the first TP, or you can take it here first TP, second TP, then you're out of the market. I suggest you get out. It's not a massive tax here. Let's not we can aim for his previous stop loss. He had a stop loss higher. Stop loss was around here. It until here. Yeah, it must go up until there. So ideally, even if you take the TP here, your final TP here, you're good.
You know, actually, I want to put $20 on every trade that we are talking about.
So currently we have like 3 trades or 4.
We've talked about USD card, we've talked about Euro card, we've talked about NZD USD, we've talked about GU. Those are 4 trades. Let's look at Euro GBP for our colleague. Though this thing must be moving so slow, I wouldn't trade it.
It's been ranging, man.
Sure. What's there on the monthly? Let's look at the monthly. We see. Okay. Chai. Okay. But this thing is literally done everything.
Even if I try to force things, I'm not seeing things, man.
Buona. You go back to where current price action is. You go to where current price action is. Clear everything. I want to say something. Just clear all. Okay, now zoom. I want to see those last candles. Okay, continue to zoom.
Apologies.
I want you to mark for me the open
Of the month. Wait, let me do this. Euro
I want you to
GBP.
mark how did the candle open? How did the month?
This is a more proper representation. Dipping. This is where the
How
month
did the
open.
month open? It opened bullish or bearish?
Bearish. Yeah, it went up, then started moving down. I don't know. Maybe we look for buys here. Maybe.
Because I
Move to
was trying to look at it from my perspective of
because if you check, that's what I was drawing that from that side. Price came, suddenly decreased, then it it got here, strong rejection,
Mm-hmm.
then it started moving down. Maybe we look for buys around. I'm not sure. So I'm suggesting we look around here. If it's buying assumption, that's an assumption it's buying.
Actually, I am seeing this thing selling.
Selling, eh?
It is going
It's
to
not
sell.
done yet. Wait, let me just do this kidogo
You know what I was
because I'm.
thinking?
Uh-huh.
I wanted I wanted to show you something.
Quiz.
You're
Uh-huh.
still on the monthly, yeah? You're still on the
Yeah, we in the
monthly.
month. Yeah.
Okay. First clear those lines, and then I show you something perfect. Make sure that the what? That you put full screen. Put full just full screen there. Uh-huh. Now zoom. I show you something where current price is. Can you mark the candle open below that is the candle open.
This is where it opened. This is the previous candle
Mhm.
close was here. Then this is where it
Mhm.
opened. I
Oh
I,
yeah.
I picked
Okay.
forex.com so that we
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
experience those.
That is perfect. You go to daily. You go to daily. I show you. Now, where is my one?
What are all these E's and D's for? Set chart. So ideally, eh,
You've already
that is.
changed.
Ah,
You've changed what we are looking at. Okay.
I'm wondering what is Dominion Energy.
Uh, 1 month, one daily. Uh-huh.
So this is where the month started. It opened,
So you see
dipped
exactly what they were doing. That is
over here.
forex.com.
Yeah,
You know, when
yeah,
you
yeah,
go to
flex.
another broker, he's actually showing another candle. He's showing
It's
another
showing you.
candle color.
Uh, you guys, do you see this? Let me just rub it. Do you see this?
Mm.
This is not a wonder. This is forex.com.
No, you try or wonder. You try or wonder. You will see what I'm trying to say.
What did you say?
I am saying you try or wonder. I want you to see that doji, what another broker printed.
Wonder.
Exactly.
Ah,
You
these
know what
guys,
they
they are
actually print.
hiding things.
Yeah, that is what I was trying to tell you.
Actually,
That
I wonder cute. This, you see, there's a gap here.
mm,
Then this one isn't. They've put the doji as bullish and it's not bullish. It's bearish.
you try checking another broker. You see what they printed.
Hmm, Pepperstone. This one, it doesn't look even like a doji. Hey, these brokers are cooking, eh?
Yeah, they just want to confuse you.
Hey, this one is even something else. I I wonder what these people who trade these brokers experience. You see, this one is not.
Zimran, you're
Hey,
saying
this one.
something. So
Yeah.
ideally, I am seeing that as a bull candle.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Having been the reason why price went down. So market opened and they wanted to take that out.
So we go with the wonder.
We try.
I'll
We
go with the
go with
wonder
the
because
wonder.
it's always the best.
Actually, the best is forex.com.
Forex.com. Yeah.
It's the best.
Paper.
As you can see, they don't put this, like they'll print out the candle. They'll not leave a gap there, and you'll always see that the candles, there's always the open and the close that are always like there's no this gap. I don't know if you understand.
Mm,
If you see here,
yeah.
there's a gap here between the opens. For forex.com, they actually show you this candle looks like this. Yeah. But anyways, this one, they have this candle over here. It place came tapped. I think it might tap then deep again, eh?
Mm,
What do you guys think?
I think it has retested that point, but then it's going to tap on this. I don't know. I can't share my screen because I don't have a trading view, but I think it's going to go down a little bit and then we head in for buys.
You'll be surprised. So when you check, go to forex.com, my preferred broker.
Mm,
If you watch this properly, yeah, this over
yeah.
here is what you call a, this is what you call a demiator.
Mm-hmm.
So for demiators, they usually confirm the trend to the so-called direction that the candles are at. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
since we had this demiator, price came tapped in, then dipped. Yeah, that to me is a confirmation for we are in a bearish market. That's for me. I don't know for you and Joshua.
I would also see a
Yes.
bearish market as well.
Sage,
So Zamran, you were
yeah.
saying we'll go down then buy. Where do you think we'll be getting our buys? Let's explore that.
Like there where you put the cursor, right there. Down a little, down a little
I
bit.
mark here.
Down, like there. There. No, up there.
Over here. Over here.
Yeah. And then into heading for buys because when the weekly time frame, it actually tells you that it's going to go up. Like it's we're heading in. We are bullish.
I beg to differ. Okay. The weekly is saying we'll tap here, then we go up, yeah?
After this
Are we seeing
high,
the same
yeah,
thing?
that one. Yeah, there till to that high.
This one.
Yeah, that one. That one.
So this will be our target for buys, huh?
Yeah, that's our target.
Okay.
I don't know how you
Joshua, are you
guys
seeing
see it,
this?
but that's how I see it.
Joshua. Joshua. Okay, he's not with us. So if you want,
I am here. I am here.
Yeah.
You're saying.
Mhm.
Joshua, can you see this? Can you see this?
Joshua.
Mm.
So personally, we closed this. So I'm expecting price to go down. Then we look for buys. Buys will be up until this zone. Let me go
And
to daily. Buys will be up until this zone. I'm not expecting these prices to be tapped. It will go down, we get buys, we tap here, then we dip again. Because for me personally, I am very, very bearish on this, considering that price closed like this. This is what you call an
Mm-hmm.
overflow overlap over
Overflow.
here.
Mm-hmm.
I keep calling them an overflow, but it's called an overlap. So you'll see this overlap. This is telling us that price will come here one time, then dip. I don't know if I can show you a different example of show you. Let me see. Okay, maybe we'll use another currency to look for that. But ideally, this is what personally I'll be expecting. Price will come down, we buy, come to this zone, then we look for sales, then we'll dip. As we can see, 1 week, go to 1 month. As we can see here, price monthly, Joshua spotted it that it's very bearish. I'm still expecting this lows. Since this was taken away, I'm expecting this one to become 4. But it will take time considering this is EUGBP. So I'm expecting this loss to be taken before I'm thinking about anything else, because ideally, if you are a person who trades what's this guy, ICT, there's a gap here. Why is it
Mm-hmm.
magnet? There's this gap here, not tapped, or it was tapped. Yeah, it was tapped here, and its paradise is currently getting into it properly. So I'm expecting it to be maybe taken more. Maybe look for entries for buys properly here. I don't know. Let me see one day. We, as you can see, why
Gwezi.
it's been like a year going up. Hey, price has been moving. So as you can see, even on this one, ideally maybe entries where Hey, and I'm not using a premium trading view, so we can't like analyze over here because this is 2016. So between this one and this one, boy, if I am to rest this, if I'm to rest this today, can I see 2 days? I doubt 1 week. You guys, I need to start paying for trading view. So ideally, there's this area over here. This one needs to be properly mitigated to some extent, because when we checked this daytime, when we checked here with the daily candlestick, wait, where are we? It looks like it got completely mitigated over here,
Yeah, that
and
is it.
prices. It looks like it got properly mitigated here. So I don't know. I don't know. Hey, the chart has a lot, because this was back in 2022. It trapped, gave us an entry, went back up. Oh, it's mitigating the area. I don't. What do you guys think? But you shouldn't be mixing up weekly and daily, otherwise you will mess up. But I'm expecting price to come back down here. We look for buys, then we go back up to this, then we clear everything down because there's a lot of liquidity lying down. And as we can see here, I don't know. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
But
Sage.
yeah.
That very point you marked. I'm expecting the market to take out that outside liquidity where you marked this downer part here.
Oh, this
So
one
when it
here.
comes down, it has to go up. No, move the cursor down. The
Oh,
lowest
down.
point you marked there. Yeah, there.
This one.
So I'm expecting no up. Move it a little bit up.
Oh,
No,
you're
that
talking about
carbon
here.
is there. Yeah,
Okay, let me zoom.
I'm expecting to finish that outside liquidity and then it goes back up like bullish.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
because it has retested there, like it has been there for a lot of time. It has retested there like multiple times. You get, you see it. So it's going to finish up that outside liquidity and then it goes up. It be bullish.
Okay.
Yeah,
Even as a trend line trader that I am, maybe, yeah, it could come look for entries around here,
yeah, there.
then we go
Because when I was analyzing it in the 30 minutes, it was selling to that exact point, that point there where your cursor is, and then after that it goes back up.
around here, yeah.
Yeah, there you see.
Hmm.
Because I can kind of like the head and shoulder pattern when you see it there. I don't know if you
Oh,
can
you're talking
recognize
about
it
this.
because it's kind of different. Yeah.
Okay, let me then shoulder. From here, it came down, take it here, came down, here, came down. Why isn't price okay? Over here, yeah? So ideally this is the shoulder, the head and shoulders. This is the whatever's. Why is this thing? This one. This is the one you're talking about, the head and shoulder in the 15-minute time frame, eh? Or you're talking about this one? Because ideally this was coming to
Yeah,
give you entry, then you go up.
there. You know exactly there. There.
Yeah, this is your neck, right?
Yeah, that's the yeah, yeah. That's the neck, and then you get.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. So maybe another retest, then it goes up, eh?
Yeah, it's going to go a little bit up and then it drops down from there. Because if you go, that's the neck. You get.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, there. That's the shoulder where we've just tapped.
Okay. I see what you're talking about.
You know what
Yeah.
I'm thinking?
So I don't know whether I'm on the right track or I'm just trying to, but that's what I kind of see.
Mm.
Yeah.
And
So
then it drops to our point of entry where we're going to take the buys from.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Ideally, I'd watch this. I wouldn't get in because I don't see a clear entry per se, but I see where you're headed to.
you go to the weekly. Go to the weekly. Did you mark for us the did you mark for us the overlap?
Okay, just a moment there.
I want you to use just the lines because those things sort of
Oh,
confuse me. You can put the box off. It will scare me and I will run. You go to 4 hour. Make those lines at least green. Make those lines at least green.
so that you can see better.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And
Man,
increase
me,
the
I'm getting
liquidity.
cells here, bana. Proper
Increase the
cells.
Yeah.
you see that whatever that QM.
Ah, this is cells, man. Ooh, this is an entry, man. And I hold that the next year.
Up there, up there, up. Not there, you guy. You forgot to mark QM.
Wait, you guys. I'm struggling with this mouse.
No, it is you go to the magnet and then you put a weak magnet. It
It's weak.
is weak.
Yeah.
Now you press control. You press control while moving. You press control while moving the whatever that thing. So down there, that is the entry, not up. Remove that.
This is because this is the stop loss, eh?
But that's far. That's far. I doubt they would get there. I'm looking at
Oh,
first
we have the
zoom.
4 hour.
Zoom. Uh-huh. You put the lines at. You know where to put that stop loss. You know where to put the entry, not the stop loss, the entry
You want us
one.
to get you want us to use this as the
Oh,
entry.
oh, you put it up there. Guy, don't do
You
this to
want
me now. Move to your right. Sort of that low, that high rather, that one. That one. That's the entry. Not that
you
one.
want us to get in here. You want us to get in here, yeah?
Yeah, there. So I want
Flip.
to see Monday. I want to see man. Oh God, there is no liquidity. There is no liquidity.
No, none.
There is no
None.
liquidity. Yeah, there is no liquidity. So there is no reason
None
for
here.
price to get there.
Wait, let me try something. Mhm. Let's look for more details. 1 hour.
You know what I'm thinking? These
Hmm.
guys could actually first sell from there and then later buy for those entries because I do not see liquidity there. I do not see liquidity, you guy.
You'll
I
be
want to see all this.
surprised.
I want all this liquidity to first be taken out. Are you seeing that trend line liquidity below there? Yeah.
Ah, me, I'm seeing cells. I'm seeing cells, pure cells here. You guy,
So we collect that and then move down to collect this liquidity in the trend line.
this one. You see the, you see this, you see all this liquidity here.
Mm.
Who are we going to leave this for?
Oh, Buana,
Hmm?
Buana, Buana.
And you can see the demiator here.
Another confluence as well.
There's a demiator here. Wait, it was weekly or is it monthly? It was weekly.
Or, mm,
Wait, weekly we have an overflow, right?
mm.
4 hour.
We saw a
Okay,
demiator
it's
there.
the daily. It's daily. Daily was the demiate. We weekly and the daily are telling us we can sell
But I think that demiator was already activated.
by this.
Yeah, that is what
Then
I'm
then
seeing.
it means then it means we're late for the sale or something. I don't know because we're not late, Bwana. Weekly is telling us we're going to sell, Bwana. It's just a matter of us waiting to get tapped in.
Oh, let me check. You said that was a
Because
daily, yeah?
the daily it says the demiator was tapped in, but the weekly it's recently formed the overlap.
Mm,
So I expect price to move down a bit, then come back up, then we dip. Because
because
it's
I wanted
clear,
that.
it's clean, very clean. I swear. We're going to first we're going to sell,
Mm.
then we're going to
Then
buy,
buy
then we
what
sell.
we saw.
Mm. Because hey, these are very clean pips here. To be honest with you guys, this will be our final entry. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing. Yeah, this will be the final entry. Not happening to maybe end week. That's what I'm thinking, or maybe it can decide. But ideally, yeah, this is the final one. But what I'm seeing, as he said, yeah, price might come here. We buy.
Sage.
Mm.
Man,
Price might come here. We buy.
these guys are bad.
Then when we get to our entrance here, we sell again. That's what I'm seeing or expecting, yeah, to speculate. Eh?
Till morning.
You go back to the daily. You go back
You
to
are
the
going
daily.
till morning.
We're in the daily. This is the daily.
Oh,
This is the
okay. You
daily.
mark for me.
So I'm expecting
Mark
price
for
to
me the
come
daily.
down.
Mm.
We come
You
down
change
after
the
we've come down.
mm.
I change it.
You change the broker. I want to show you something now.
Okay. I go to Oanda.
Owanda did something ugly. Don't go to Owanda. I don't want to see Owanda.
Forex. Okay, we're in
Let's see.
Forex.
That one also has that gap. It's ugly. Uh,
This
try
gap is the
8 cup.
reason why. Eh? This gap is the reason
Not
why
really.
you
No,
guys.
I want to just see clean trade.
No, it's only one that we can have a clean one. The rest will have gaps. Let's see ICM
Try
gap. Each
try
and
try
every other. It's only
try
Forex.
8 cup. Try
Eh?
8 cup. 8 cup.
Or 8 cup gap.
Ah,
You guys are seeing it.
go back to Rwanda. Go back to Rwanda. We shall bear with our old woman called Rwanda.
Mm.
You mark for me the high and the low of that thing. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. Our demiator.
The demiator. Eh?
On down.
But this one is confusing, man. Eh?
You just mark it. You mark, yes. And you first have to remove that box of yours, you guy. I want that the next one. I want the next one. Remove that.
Which next one?
I want that white candle. Just mark the high and the low. The white
Okay.
candle. Just the high and the low.
I'm expecting price to come play here a bit before it moves down, or moves down then comes back then moves down. That's what I'm seeing. To be honest with you guys.
Say it. Go to 1 hour.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What are you saying?
1 hour, 1 hour.
1 hour.
You see that there was a QM there.
Mm.
Leave that QM. There was another
Hmm.
one down here, even though it wasn't that convincing.
This one here.
Leave that one. Just the one above that low. Not that side. I want
You're talking about this one
no. Leave that
or
one.
this one?
Leave it up there
This
on
one.
the right. Not that one.
Okay, right.
Okay, they
This
have
one.
to come back and yeah, they have to come back and take out that QM as well. But as per the moment, that was the QM that was activated.
Oh, they activated this,
Mm, mm,
and me, I'm expecting
that is
here.
looking. Yeah, we could wait there as well. So we could buy up to there and then continue selling down.
Okay,
That's
let
the
me
goal.
do that. Let me do that. My favorite one. Eh?
Mm,
Ooh, days. Wait, it was just a moment. Just a moment. I think I confused. Guy. Why didn't I see that?
then go back to the daily. You'll mark that thing well.
Wow. You guy, my guy.
Yeah.
Chai!
Are we still in the overlap?
Yeah, it's on it. It's over here. Look, quickly. You see the overlap is over here. No, actually, it's above the overlap.
Just briefly
It's above
above.
the overlap. Uh,
Mm, not bad. Not bad. Do we have a buffer in there?
that's why we need premium trading view. Because if we had a buffer on overlap and
We
and V to V, then we will
already
be, because if we ideally we if we put 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, we'll see something from here like a V to V, yeah. Because ideally, if this is 1 day,
that means
if
I
it's two
just
days,
have to
this one
watch
gets.
what price
I
does.
think I think there's a nene. I think there's a wait. I think there's one over here, man. I think there's one because watch this, eh? This is the daily,
Mm,
eh?
yeah.
This is the daily. Watch
Mm,
this. Watch this. Let me show you. Can you see this?
mm.
I think price will come here. Price will come here, man.
Sure.
I don't know. I think price will come here, around here, then dip. Could be stop loss. Perfect stop loss. But price might come here. Mm-hmm. You see our QM over here. Stop loss over here.
Our boy is already lost. Zimran,
This session has been, this
Zebras, are you
session has.
understanding me?
Yeah, I've been tapping it. I've been eating. Sorry.
You guys, you have been called to go and eat, eh?
You boys are that bad. Eh? You eat in private, eh? And you guys,
Sorry, sorry.
I don't know. I don't know. But I think we can
so
get
you guys
cells
don't.
here.
Up
I
there.
think we can get cells here. I don't know. I don't know. You guys, I'm confused now. Hey, price is looking very interesting. I am kid you not.
Ah,
Let it not tempt you. Tomorrow is a Monday.
oh yeah, tomorrow
So it
being
has to take
Monday.
all the liquidity and then the market becomes proper.
This is the trade that I'll be waiting for if I'm looking at this. But I don't. Ta, 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 ta. Shui. Okay, we'll wait. We'll wait. This is clear. I'll
Yeah.
give you that.
Yeah, we shall wait for it because I'm also looking up to it because I wanted to trade it, but I was like, let me to it with the council of elders. So
There we go. There we go. uh, the thing is just beautiful.
I
it's
don't
a
know.
tough one though.
Now I'm thinking I should pay for trading view, eh?
$40. Huh? Okay, you became rich
Mm,
lately.
$14, eh?
40, bro.
No, no,
$40.
no, no. You just pay for 1 month. It's not that
Hmm?
expensive. You guys, you don't know. You don't know. Let me show you, eh? Account and billing. Leave. Okay. If you're going here, okay. Ideally, I'll get the 30 days free. Then
Man, those guys refuse to give me that
the
30
30
days
days
free.
free.
Hmm.
You see, it's not even 14. It's 13, 12, 13, 12.
For essential.
Hmm. You don't need this. You don't need this. 5 indicators, 10k bars, 10. You don't need this. This is extreme. This is not for you.
Who's
This is
that?
extreme. This is extreme. Yeah. If you get this, you're more than good to go.
Get it
Because
perfectly.
chat data export. Why are you exporting the data? Rank or CAG? I don't even know what this is. Formulas.
I
Are
am
you doing
right.
coding or something? Time price
Yeah.
opportunity. What? You see, this is like extreme stuff. You need this is more than enough for what you're going to or what we're going to be doing as position traders. You're a position trader.
Get it.
And make sure you're not using professional. If you use professional, you will cry. Make sure it's non-professional.
Yeah, exactly.
Because imagine 20 technical alerts, 20 price alerts, 10 parallel chat connections. That's you have 10 different monitors, 10k history bars. What else do you need? You don't need these others. You're good. And you know you won't be having ads and all that. It's good. So don't stress yourself with paying the high majority, whatever. So as for this, ideally, I'll be looking for buys here, then sells here. But ideally, the buys I'm certain of. The sells, maybe I harass someone who has a premium trading view. I check with the charts, then I confirm.
Oh, there is so much liquidity that has come out.
Yeah, this sells I'm certain, and this buys I'm very certain of this buys.
The buys, yes, the buys are perfect.
Anyways, let me send you guys this. Then I go eat. If I don't eat, I'll sleep hungry, and I'm supposed to be up very early.
Come on, guys. Good night, you guys. Thanks for the
Yeah,
show. It's been wonderful with you
Gay,
guys, man.
gay, gay, this is not a show, gay.
you get. You're taking markets as a joke, eh?
No, I was just hit 200 last week, by the way, but I recovered it thanks to God, man, on NFP. So
You did what?
I was blown like 200 USD, but I recovered it on NFP. I was trading Audi card. Manya, I was new Nasdaq Manya, the New Zealand dollar and the card. Then I was able to recover it.
Did you look at Audi card?
No, I'm saying the New Zealand dollar and the card dollar.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
That's
get
what I
it.
was
Yeah, I
trading.
get it.
Yeah,
You got an opportunity.
yeah. I
You
got an
sold.
opportunity right now. Yeah, I'm
You
selling.
sold. Ah,
Yeah,
you're in
I
sales, eh?
sold. Yeah, I'm on sales.
Oh.
Actually, I'm holding it up to now. So thank God I recovered, but I was hit, bro. So I know what the market does.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah,
If you're keen, there was an entry around here.
yeah, yeah.
With your proper dipping. Even here, this one is telling you got an entry. Depending on how you look at the charts, eh?
Mm,
You got a proper
yeah, yeah.
QM here. It came to then you were deep in blues. Deep in blues. Wait, where did you get your entry?
We are
No,
trading
it was the Nasdaq dollar and the card, New
Oh,
Zealand dollar and
Nasdaq
the
dollar.
card, not Audi card. It was
Oh,
the
not
NZD
New
card.
Nasdaq
Zealand
dollar,
dollar and the card.
guys.
Yeah, New Zealand dollar and
You
the card. Yeah, NZD card.
Oh, you sold, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
There,
Wait, you
I'm
did this
there.
you did this in NFP?
Yeah,
Oh.
because the NZD, because the card was buying, but
Mm-hmm.
the NZD was dropping. The NZD is kind of stronger than the card. So an NFP USD dollar was what selling. So I had to take the sales.
Okay, I get you.
Yeah,
Clean
yeah,
entry.
yeah. It's a clean one.
So you're waiting to get TP here, eh?
So I'm
oh,
going to
oh,
push my TP more up because I don't want to risk that much, but I'm going to push it a little bit up, small,
Oh, okay, you can look for
like
TP
there, there.
here. This is a good place to take your profits.
Yeah, yeah,
Maybe
there. That's what.
okay, not there. Like let's say if you're
That's
exaggerating
why
so
that's
much here,
going to take it slow. Yeah,
yeah,
but
it'll
when
be
it's
good.
going to
It'll be
pass
good.
that low,
It might. It
yeah,
might.
yeah. That's what I'm waiting for, bro.
let's go to the monthly,
Yeah,
guys.
yeah.
Let's run to the monthly.
I'm pretty sure it's going to because it's going to sell.
Hmm.
Let me sweep that floor. It is not going to take out that floor.
Hmm. Hmm. You'll
But
get in
do you see
buys
that
here.
market?
You'll
I
get
don't
in
see
buys
it.
here. You'll get in by later.
The buys are done, bro. It's
Hmm?
going anyway. It's buying a little bit
Don't worry. Your cells are safe. You're safe. The cells you got here,
more often. Like
will
more of it's
yeah, you're going to be taking your profits down here or something.
There is still too much liquidity that has to be taken out, guy.
You just hold on to your trade. There's all this.
just
Can you see this
from here.
from
Yeah, from
from here? Can you see all
there.
this? All this has to be taken. You're here currently. Just ride them. Don't be afraid. Just ride with them. Maybe if you get here, you can decide to close the trade completely. But all this liquidity has to be taken. This one. You guys, I'm sure you've eaten. Let me run and go and eat now. Joshua,
So, yo,
what do you think about this buys here? I don't know.
they are good, but not safe because there is still
Sorry, my
liquidity.
network was bad. Let me see. My network was bad. Let me have a look.
Yeah, currently price is here. Price to go, but I'm not
Yeah,
sure
what do you
about
say
this. Hello,
We could have a short term buy because definitely we
about
don't have time
the
to
sales?
see.
your sales. You'll just run your sales up until this zone. When it gets to
Yeah,
here, maybe think about closing. But we might ride up to here. But we're looking for short-term buys, maybe from here to somewhere here. I don't know. We're waiting. We'll wait to see what price does.
but the overall I see it's a so cause
Yeah, overall
yeah,
we're
it's
red.
going to go up a little bit. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the TPT down there. Where you mark you support. Oh yeah, down there, more down,
Oh, you're talking
like
about here.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there.
Okay.
That's where my TPT is. Yeah.
Okay. That's all.
Mm,
Wow.
that's where I'm at, bro.
Joshua,
Yes, sir.
maybe it's here. Maybe buy is here. Maybe. But not assured. Maybe I'm sleepy. We'll confirm it later
No,
during the week. We'll confirm it later during the week.
if you're
Okay.
confirm it during the week, bro.
Yeah. But this one is telling me no.
There was five.
Yeah. We'll confirm during the week. Right now, I am sleepy and I am hungry.
Your working capacity has reduced.
Stomach fishy.
You guys still sing that song.
So I think the
John,
sales are going to end up down there.
What did you say? Our friend was singing.
who
He was talking about
said
Jonah.
Jonah, stomach are fishy. I am told Kenyans are the ones who started singing that fake song.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, it's very rampant by the way, but it
and then
was
you
for
guys
a long
also
time ago, a very long time
you
ago.
guys also sang that's Tony Uichi.
You guys leave us by the way,
But you Kenyans,
Man,
no,
you
no,
guys,
no, no,
man. I see you next week, man. Guys, good night, bro.
You guys have a
Okay.
lovely night, eh?
Have
Yeah,
a
you guys
lovely
have a
night.
like, same guys.